it is at the back, not at front.
Okay, Vansh, like around.
Whether means I am unable to recognize whether it is Mr. Hemant Sharma or somebody else.
Mr. Hemant Agarwal.
Oh, sorry, Hemant Agrawal.
Okay, sir. I changed the location.
Okay.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, it's okay now.
Yes, okay.
Okay, so you are looking little weak.
Yes, sir. I am suffering from jaundice from last 7 to 8 days.
Jaundice. So, what was the number?
Feeling like that.
What was the number? Jaundice. What was the report when you were diagnosed that you were suffering from jaundice? What was the number or what was the report?
So report is negative about blood.
No.
Blood.
What was the report? Means it was 3.5, 4. How was?
So exactly I don't see.
Why?
Doctor tell me my brother will went with me, and
Means you
I really.
So okay. Well, there are many things actually,
Yes, sir.
When you suffer from jaundice, three main important reports are, observed. First,
Yes, sir.
First is, serum bilirubin. Serum bilirubin and SGOT or SGPT.
Yes.
Three reports are observed. And on these reports, actually, the treatment is given.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Well, so you must take care of your eating habits.
Yes, sir.
You must have light food for next few days or few months.
I was taking khichdi.
Yes.
Moong ki dal.
And you cannot take heavy food.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So, okay, let's start. So, what we did last time, I didn't remember.
Yes, sir. Last time we did present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense plus imperative sentence.
Did you make any sentences?
Yes, sir. I make. So first of all, this is practice of imperative sentence. Go there. Please go there. Can you go there? Come here. Read this book. Write this lesson. Don't go there. Don't take my doll. Please take the mobile. Please make the sentence. Please eat your lunch. Write an essay.
Write an essay.
Write an essay. Please read carefully. Don't lie with me. Don't laugh on them.
Don't laugh.
Smile all the. Don't laugh on them.
Actually, at we use. At.
Yes,
at them.
Don't laugh at them.
Just suppose we speak डोंट लाफ एट मी, मुझ पे मत हंसो। तो एट
हाँ जी,
मी, एट मी।
at me, at me. Smile all the way,
स्माइल।
all the way. Run at ground.
रन इन
Please
द,
drink your tea.
यू कैन से रन इन द ग्राउंड।
Run in the ground. Please drink your tea.
प्लीज हैव योर टी।
Please have your tea. Please wash your cloth. Dig here.
डिग हियर, हाँ।
Please don't smoke here. Don't jump there. Don't surf the net daily. Can you wash my clothes? But don't dig there. ये सब इम्पेरेटिव हो गए सारे।
ओके
और इसके बाद मैंने बनाए अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट।
ओके।
He goes to school. I go to office. They plays cricket.
दे
Plays cricket.
दे प्ले,
ओके सर, एस नहीं आएगा।
दे प्ले।
They play cricket. The child cries in the home. I play cricket. He says truth.
ही स्पीक्स।
He speaks. I say politely.
आई स्पीक पोलाइटली।
I speak politely. He plays video game. He comes home. I come home. अब सर ये नेगेटिव सेंटेंस और ये इंडेफिनिट में। Ram doesn't go to school. I do not go to office. I do not play cricket. He does not play cricket. You do not eat chicken. He does not eat chicken. अब सर मैं बनाया इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस। Does he play cricket? Do you play cricket? Do you eat chicken? Does he eat chicken? Does they go to office? नहीं सर,
डू दे।
do they? Do they go to office? अब है सर ये इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस विद WH फैमिली। When does they play cricket?
वैन डू,
When
वैन डू।
when do? When do you play cricket? What does he do there? What do you do there? Where do you live? Where do you go? Where does he stand? Whom do you talk there?
होम डू यू,
Whom does
होम डू
Yes,
यू
sir.
टॉक टू।
talk to? Whom does he go here?
होम
Whom does he go here? वो यहाँ क्यों आता है?
व्हाई डज ही कम हियर।
Why does? How do you manage there? How does he manage here? Why do you stand here? Who eat there?
हु
Eat there. Who write essay?
हु
Which
राइट,
table do you?
हु राइट लिख रहे हैं आप तो फिर ये प्लूरल है।
Okay, sir.
कौन लिखते हैं? अगर आप चाहते हैं कि इसको सिंगुलर, कौन लिखता है,
जी।
ऐसे कौन लिखता है? हु राइट्स एन ऐसे।
एन एस। Which table do you sit?
Which table do you
Which
sit?
class?
Which table do you sit on?
Sit on. Which class does he study?
Which class does he study in?
बस कौन है? टीचर गेट बंद कर देना, आवाज आएगी। How much money do you want? How many brother does he have? yes sir, ये सब indefinite में बनाए सारे।
Okay. So now present continuous.
yes sir.
Recognition is रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, रहा हूँ.
yes sir.
And formula is very simple. Is am, are plus V4 plus object.
Is am, are plus ing plus yes sir. Got it.
Like suppose I say I am talking to you.
yes sir. आप बात कर रहे हैं मुझसे अभी।
I am talking to you.
yes sir.
You are talking to me.
yes sir.
He is playing in the ground.
वो भी खेल रहा है।
Is he playing? Question.
क्या वो खेल रहा है?
He isn't playing.
वो नहीं खेल रहा है।
I am not talking to you.
मैं आपसे बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
Is your mother cooking food?
क्या आप खाना बना रहे हैं?
Is your mother cooking food?
क्या आपकी मम्मी खाना बना रही है?
Now with WHO form you can use what are you doing? Where
yes,
is
sir.
he going?
I am. yes sir.
Like whom are you talking to?
Whom are you talking to?
I am talking to my brother. I am talking
yes,
to my friend.
yes sir.
I am not talking to anybody.
yes sir.
Like this. This is the present continuous tense. But remember, when you use खड़े होना, लेटना, बैठना,
yes sir.
पहने हुए होना, these activities are in continuous always. Like if I say मैं कुर्सी पर बैठा हूँ,
I am sitting on the chair.
अब खड़ा हूँ तो I am standing.
I am standing.
मैं बैठा हूँ, I am sitting, I am standing. मैं टी शर्ट पहने हुए हूँ, मैं एक
I am wearing the t-shirt.
yes, I am wearing a t-shirt.
A t-shirt.
और मैं लेटा हूँ, I am lying.
I am lying.
Like this. So this is present continuous.
yes sir.
And sometime when we say मुझे देर हो रही है,
ये देर हो रही है। I am late.
नहीं,
I am getting late.
हाँ, I am getting late.
yes, I am getting late.
इसी तरह अंधेरा हो रहा है.
अंधेरा हो रहा है। The dark is.
No, it is getting dark.
It is getting dark.
तो ये यहाँ ऐसे ही बनाते हैं इसको. It is getting dark. I am getting late.
I am getting late.
बारिश हो रही है.
It is raining today.
It is raining. That's all. This is continuous.
yes, ये तो simple है.
हाँ, simple. Okay. and I tell you today present perfect also.
तो सर इसका एक ही फॉर्म है या फिर इसका और भी कोई फॉर्म है प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस के अंदर?
बता दिए मैंने जो जो इसके अंदर था, जैसे बैठ होना, अंधेरा, लेट होना, ये
इंटरोगेटिव और अफर्मेटिव दोनों बता दिया। नेगेटिव प्रीपोजिशन बन गई है,
उससे आप हु वाले से बना ही सकते हो।
हाँ जी।
बारिश हो रही है क्या? अरे बाहर बारिश हो रही है क्या?
Is there raining?
No, is it
outside?
raining? Is it raining?
Is it raining today?
तो वो आप बना सकते हो उससे। Present perfect.
Present perfect.
I want to ask you one thing.
Yes, sir.
Before we continue present perfect.
Hello.
Actually, it's my routine. Whenever we have any class, it is being recorded.
Yes, sir.
I always record all my classes with all my students.
Because how is it possible to record the Skype calls?
I'll tell you that later. First, let me complete my question. Means it is our routine. We always record all the classes with our students. So this is the proof, you can say, that we have already taken your classes in case of any dispute. That is the first reason. And the second reason, it is always good to record, because some of the students are interested to have the recorded lesson. So in their free time, they can watch these lessons and they can review what they have studied. That is the second reason. First reason is just for me, in case, because actually the dispute is not there in 99% of the cases.
Yes.
But 1% of the students, sometimes they create problems.
Yes.
That no, sir, you have taken 9 classes, you have not taken 15 or like this. But it is very, very rare. Very, very rare. So that in that case, I can show them this. These are the recordings. You can check it. But the second cause is very important. That some of the students, they are always they always feel happy when they have recorded lesson, and so they can review what they have studied, or even after the course they can watch them again and again. This is the reason. And the third reason, actually I always ask my students, means I always take their permission if they want me to upload their recording on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
So I always take their permission. If they give me their consent, then I upload them after editing. Otherwise, I don't upload them. So I just want to ask you, do you mind if I upload your videos? Two conditions are there.
Yes, sir.
Means first, whether it is to be uploaded or it is not to be uploaded.
Yes, sir.
If it is to be uploaded, I can hide your face in editing. Are you getting my point? Means two conditions are there. If it is uploaded, then it can be uploaded as it is. That is the first means option. And the second option is that it is uploaded with your hidden face. Two conditions. हाँ, मतलब दो कंडीशन है। तो अपलोड करते हैं तो उसमें जो स्टूडेंट्स है उसका चेहरा पूरा हिडन होता है, मतलब दिखता नहीं कौन है, केवल वॉइस होती है। उसको एडिट कर दिया जाता है सॉफ्टवेयर से, तो केवल इतना इतना पोर्शन उसमें दिखता है। और अगर वो भी नहीं चाहते तो वो भी नहीं दिखता, केवल वॉइस और मैं दिखूंगा उसमें। एंड द सेकंड ऑप्शन इज देयर, एज इट इज, जैसा है वैसा ही दिखे, तो वो भी उसमें ऑप्शन होता है। So I just want to ask you, what would you like to? Would you like me to upload these recordings on YouTube or no? दोनों conditions है, as it is भी कर सकते हैं।
I generally prefer privacy in my life. requested to कि
नहीं, आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग यू
sir,
कि ऐसा
yes sir, it's a good,
कि करें कि नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे सम ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट्स, इवन अ स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान, वाहिद जवान, ही ऑलवेज वांट मी टू अपलोड माय
Yes, sir.
रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन द यूट्यूब, तो वो चाहे जब देख सकता है अपने वीडियोस वहां पे, तो अपना
नहीं तो वीडियो वो पर्सनली नहीं दे सकते आप, जैसे कुछ और भी वे होते हैं वीडियो में आपसे ले
पॉसिबल नहीं है, वो इसलिए पॉसिबल नहीं है कि इतनी लंबी रिकॉर्डिंग होती है, वो मतलब एक एक जीबी की होती है, तो वो कैसे भेजूंगा मैं आपको, कोई
या
मीडिया
पेन ड्राइव में भेज सकते, पेन ड्राइव में पेमेंट मैं कर दूंगा आपको।
no, it is not the matter of payment, it is the
Yes, sir.
matter of time.
Yes,
I
sir.
have no that much time to do all these things कि उसको इतनी लंबी, उसको पहले तो आप उसको उसमें करो, आप पेन ड्राइव में, फिर पेन ड्राइव को बाई पोस्ट भेजो, इट इज टाइम कंज्यूमिंग गेम, पर वो उसमें एडिटिंग करके अपलोड करना, इट इज वेरी इजी फॉर मी, तो वो तो मेरा रूटीन है, दैट इज वेरी इजी, वो पॉसिबल नहीं होता
ओके सर।
या कि अपन उसको रिकॉर्डिंग करें, फिर उसमें मतलब रिकॉर्डिंग, इट इज रूटीन प्रोसेस टू रिकॉर्ड, बट to send it into pen drive, it is means practically it is not possible, it is possible but practically it is not possible.
It's a time taken exercise.
Yes, and that
Yes.
that is the problem, that's the reason.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the present perfect tense, the present perfect is subject plus
इसको से एक one more question कि what is the process of recording? How can record the Skype calls?
सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू रिकॉर्ड किए जाते हैं ये।
अच्छा सर, तो what is the cost of software?
वो उनका ईयरली सब्सक्रिप्शन होता है।
Yes sir.
जैसे एवेवर आप नेट पे सर्च करेंगे तो वो मिल जाएंगे बहुत, बट दे आर नॉट वेरी इफेक्टिव एक्चुअली।
Okay.
मैं दूसरे उससे करता हूँ, स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर से।
तो वो आप भी बता सकते हैं, बात तो मेरी हम भाई नोट कर लो अपने, मतलब फ्यूचर के लिए मैं आपको लेसन सुनता रहूँगा।
हाँ, तो वो रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए मेरे पास तो ये वाला है, बता देता हूँ। ये है आइसक्रीम स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर है एक।
अच्छा सर, आइसक्रीम
स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर, मैं इससे करता हूँ। वैसे तो बहुत सारे हैं,
हाँ जी,
तो आप नेट पे सर्च करोगे ना स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर तो मिल जाएगा।
इसके चार्जेस क्या होंगे?
इसके जो भी होंगे, अब मैंने तो बहुत पहले लिया हुआ है, क्योंकि मैं तो अपने वीडियोस भी बनाता हूँ ना, जो गूगल पे उस पर यूट्यूब पे अपलोड करता हूँ।
मैंने आपका वीडियो नहीं देखा था सबसे पहले।
उसके लिए मेरा तो पेड रहते हैं सारे सॉफ्टवेयर,
यस,
तो वो खरीद सकते हो आप।
हाँ जी।
This is subject has have plus v3 plus object.
Yes sir.
It means like means जैसे हो गया है, कर लिया है, दे दिया है, means कुछ थोड़ी देर पहले काम हो गया है, खत्म हो गया है, कर लिया है, चला गया है, मैंने पढ़ लिया है।
I have done my thing.
Like this. तो अब इसमें जैसे मैंने कहा मैं I have had my lunch.
I have
had तो थर्ड फॉर्म है खाने की, have तो have है ही, और had
एक पास्ट परफेक्ट में लगाते हैं ना, had, I had my lunch,
वो अलग
I
है,
had।
ये वर्ब है, वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब होती है वहाँ पे।
सो पता ही चलेगा कि हेल्पिंग वर्ब है,
क्योंकि आप देखो ना उसकी पोजीशन, I have done, I have had,
I have had my lunch।
I have had my lunch, मैंने अपना लंच
Yes, sir. I have eaten my lunch.
eaten is not very good actually to use. That's why we are using I have had. लिख सकते हो आप, टेकन भी लिख सकते हो आप,
I have taken. कोई confusion ना हो इसलिए.
लेकिन I have had is better, क्योंकि खाने या पीने के लिए हम हमेशा have यूज करते हैं. Like please have water, please have a cup of tea. जैसे किसी को आप कह रहे हो प्लीज हैव वन पीस ऑफ स्वीट, अरे
Yes, sir.
एक मिठाई का पीस तो लो, प्लीज हैव अ पीस ऑफ स्वीट. तो मतलब लेना किसी चीज, खाना पीना, तो उसमें हम हैव का यूज करते हैं. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
तो इसलिए हमने वहां पे आई हैव हैड यूज किया.
I have had my lunch.
आई हैव हैड माई लंच. ठीक है. तो ये लाइक ही हैज गॉन टू स्कूल, वो स्कूल चला गया है. लाइक मैंने कपड़े धो लिए हैं. आई हैव वॉश्ड माई क्लॉथ्स.
बस इसमें एक क्वेश्चन है. अब वो स्कूल चला गया है तो हम बोलेंगे he has gone to school. तो हम सेकंड सेंटेंस से he went to school.
वो फिर पास्ट की बात हो गई. गया था,
तो चला गया, वो चला गया, वो तो पास्ट ही हो गया सर. वो चला गया,
चला गया, चला गया था, चला गया. तो प्रेजेंट टेंस का रिलेशन होता है प्रेजेंट से ही. पास्ट तो चला गया था, अब थोड़ी उसका कोई रिलेशन लेना देना है. वो गया था वहां. ही वेंट टू स्कूल यस्टरडे.
वो गया था. यस सर.
अभी बात चल रही है. हाँ चला गया वो तो स्कूल, तो प्रेजेंट में है.
he has gone to school.
यस.
अभी भी किया बस.
जा चुका है
5-10 मिनट पहले.
हाँ. गया था तो वो तो पास्ट,
Yesterday.
कल की बात है, 1 साल की बात है, 50 साल की बात है, तो वो पास्ट है. लाइक दिस.
ओके.
कई बार हम कहते हैं क्या तुम पागल हो गए हो. हैव यू गॉन मैड.
Have you gone mad? Have you gone mad? Yes sir.
हैव यू गॉन मैड. तो ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, और इसको आप उसमें यूज कर सकते हैं.
किसमें?
हु, इंटेरोगेटिव हु.
इसमें तो यूज कर लेंगे.
हाँ. लाइक व्हाट हैव यू डन.
What
आज तुम व्हाट हैव यू डन टुडे.
have you done today?
आज आपने क्या किया है.
What has आज आपने क्या किया?
Like have you finished today's job.
Have you finished today?
तो like this आप कर सकते हो.
Yes sir.
So this is present perfect, and now it's the time for us to speak something. So today I tell you a topic for speaking.
Yes sir.
So today I tell you a topic why I don't go to stadium to see a cricket match. So
Why I
don't go to stadium to see a cricket match. So listen to that topic and write that topic in
Yes,
your
sir.
own words and repeat that topic in our next lesson.
Yes sir.
So I am going to speak.
Yes sir.
I never go to stadium to see a cricket match. Why I don't go to stadium to see a cricket match, I tell you. If I go to stadium to see a cricket match, I have to get up early in the morning. Suppose match starts at 9, then I get up at 5 o'clock. I get ready and I leave my home at 7 or I leave my home at 6 to reach stadium in time because it is crowded, so I hardly get any conveyance to reach there. I reach there at 7 o'clock and I stand in the queue because it's a long queue to enter the stadium. So it takes 1 or 2 hours for me to enter. I enter the stadium and I see the match has already started. Anyhow, I try to find my seat and I sit down there. It is very hot there,
Yes, sir.
and actually we are not allowed to take any food, water bottle or food packets with us. So we go there without anything, without any eatable things or drinkable. So I feel thirsty because it's very hot. So after 1 hour during match, I want to drink some water. I want to go to water
Yes, sir.
water pouch stall or something. And I reach there. I see that there is a very long queue again. I stand in the queue. I wait for my turn. And after 15 minutes, I am able to get a water bottle. I come back to my seat and I see my seat is occupied by someone else. But anyhow, I find another place for me to sit down, and during that, actually, I miss important moments of the match.
Yes, sir.
And after some time, when it is lunch, I go outside to see
Purchase.
what I can see, what I can eat. Again, it takes time. Long queue is there. It is very, uh,
Complicated process.
yeah, very difficult situation for me to cope up with that. But anyhow, I eat something and I come back. I sit down on my seat, I watch. I feel hot and I feel very tired. And match gets over. I come out of the stadium. It is crowded all around. I don't get convinced to reach my home. I start walking, and within 2 hours I reach my home. I feel very tired, and I feel tired for next 2 3 days.
Yes, sir.
But when I see cricket match on television, I'm very comfortable. I can sit under fan, and if I feel thirsty, I can drink and I can eat. So it is very comfortable when I watch cricket match on television. So I decide not to go to stadium to see a cricket match. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is your topic for speaking. Okay.
Right, sir.
Okay. Now it's the time for you to ask me. So this is the topic. I don't go to stadium.
I won't go to stadium.
This is your topic.
Reason of not going to stadium.
So you can speak, you can write and speak. And now, if you have written questions, you can ask me.
No, sir, no questions. I have written only, I have write only present indefinite.
I have written. Okay.
Okay.
I ask you some of the questions.
Yes, sir.
So you were sick. So you were sick
Yes.
for you were sick for many days.
Okay, sir.
You were under treatment. I mean,
Yes, sir.
you were under treatment for many days. So, were you taking treatment at your home or were you admitted in hospital?
I take the treatment in my home.
I took.
I took.
You took.
Past.
You took treatment. So
I took the treatment in my home.
Okay. So were you given drip water means glucose bottles and all?
No, sir, they gave me glucose powder, electrol. I daily drank water with electrol powder
And some medicines.
and some medicine.
How did you feel that you were suffering from jaundice? What were the symptoms?
Sir, I was feeling very weak. My body was the yellow color, like yellowish color.
So you went to doctor.
Yeah, I went to doctor and he suggested me to blood test. After the blood test, he said that you are suffering from jaundice. Then I took the medicine
And you had rest.
yes, I had rest.
So you didn't go to your office.
So this office, I am on break for office because my finance department was shifted to Mumbai. So I resigned from my company. So currently I am searching job in Gurgaon and Delhi.
So you don't want to go to Mumbai.
No, sir, because my family are here in Delhi. My relatives are in Delhi.
Your family is not are.
Yes, sir. My family is
My family is in Delhi.
in Delhi.
And means your family is settled.
Yes, sir. My family is settled in Delhi.
And you don't want to.
Go to Mumbai.
You don't want to move from here.
I don't want to go here.
I don't want to move.
I don't want to go.
Or move. You can say I don't want to move from here.
Yes, I don't want to move from here.
Yes. I don't want to move from here. I want to stay here.
Yes, sir.
So you are staying with your parents?
No, sir. No, sir. I am staying separately.
Means you are not staying with your parents.
Yes, sir. I am not staying with my parents.
So where are your parents?
My parents is staying in Ashok Vihar, Delhi.
They are
They are
staying.
staying in Ashok Vihar, Delhi.
And you are staying in?
I am staying in Sector 56, Gurgaon.
You are staying in Gurgaon.
Yes, sir.
And they are staying in Ashok Vihar.
Ashok Vihar, Phase 3, Delhi.
So in Gurgaon means is this your house rented?
Yes, sir. It's a rented.
So how much do you pay for that?
I pay for 13,500 per month.
Me Gurgaon is in UP.
No, sir. Gurgaon is in Haryana. Haryana.
Haryana.
And also a part of Delhi NCR.
But Noida is in UP.
Yes, sir. Noida is in UP, but we also called NCR.
Gurgaon. So Gurgaon is a developed city.
Yes, sir. Gurgaon is an underdeveloped city. Is growing now
Hmm?
because of it is growing now.
It is developing.
Yeah, it is developing because of some company entered there and they progress.
So
One city,
Gurgaon industries are there.
so two type of, one is corporate this in cyber city, and one is industry which situated in Manesar. So many factories are there. Maruti, Honda, Perfetti, many. But as a service industry, we we can say cyber city is the service industry part only for corporates.
Okay. And what about education means? Is good education available there for your children?
So sir, education is so costly, but I have no idea because I have no child.
Okay. You have no children.
Yes, I mentioned.
Okay. So that's why it means you didn't come to face this
Yes, so
situation.
this situation.
Yeah. Hmm. So you want to be remain in that city.
So, sorry, sir.
Means you want to stay in Gurgaon only.
Uh,
Means
cannot get it.
do you want to stay in Gurgaon only?
Maybe in future I want to move Delhi because Delhi is my birthplace, or I am very familiar for this.
So what about that city Gurgaon means? Uh, is there any place for the people to entertain themselves or like this? How means what do people usually do in evening? Means do they go to cinema, mall, or do they go to hotels? How do they entertain themselves?
Generally, sir, people are watching TV, Tata Sky Dish TV, maximum, and some people are going to mall, but it's rare. It's only on weekends. Monday to Friday, they went to their job,
They go to
they go to their job and come back. Then they had their dinner. Then they saw the television. They see the television and sleep. In weekend, Saturday, Sunday is off. They go to mall, movie, any park.
it means the mall and the roads are not mean the road means the mall or you can say the public places they are not crowded on working days.
So it's crowded, but comparison to weekend, it is short.
So on weekends, people like to go to mall.
Yes, weekend people like to go mall, movie for shopping. There are three branches of Big Bazaar. They go to Big Bazaar and shop their needs.
So do
They
you
go to PVR Cinema in Sara Mall, the MGF Mall, Evidence Mall,
so do you go to
Central Plaza Mall.
so do you go to mall on weekends?
No, sir, I don't like go to mall because it's more expensive. When I go to mall, I something to purchase. The pocket is not allowed to purchase it.
So you don't go.
No, sir, I don't know.
So how do you arrange groceries, daily needs
Sir,
from
I ordered by Grofers. Grofers, it's a online home delivery grocery application. So 80% I order by Grofers for fruit, vegetable and grocery items. But it's a good option for us because they give us discount, cashback offer and cheapest price comparison to other big bazaar or other local market.
so you get your means dal, rice,
Yes,
everything
sir.
from these
By
places.
Grofers, by online shopping. But it's very cheapest. I last time I purchased moong dal 70 rupees per kg by Grofers.
Can you write this? But I think it is not available here in my city.
Yeah, it's in selected cities, Delhi, NCR, Mumbai. But in future they come there.
What is the name of the website? What is their name?
What is the name of application Grofers? GRO
GRO
Grofers. FERS.
GRO
FERS.
Groofers. ये
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. ऑरेंज में जी लिखा हुआ होगा हाँ जी Grofers.
So you order there on their website, and so how much time do they take to deliver?
So they take the time around 24 hours to 36 hours.
To deliver.
Yes, sir. Or they give us free delivery over 500 amount.
मतलब you have to purchase the groceries for more than 500, then it is free delivery to your
Yes, sir. It's
doorstep.
free. Yes, sir. For my door.
And groceries, fruit, vegetable, everything.
Yes, sir. Or all are fresh. All vegetables are fresh, all fruit are fresh. The quantity is very nice, very good. Or the price is also good.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
So vegetable you get at your home.
Yes, sir. Fresh vegetable.
And fruit, vegetable.
Yes,
You
sir.
can get anything from them, groceries and anything.
Yes, sir. Anything.
General items like cream, powder.
Yes, sir. All. Or if you can experience, you want to experience this facility only for your knowledge, so you can download the application of Grofers. So you can see the all products or varieties and rate.
I'll check it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So